This video was made with the best videos uploaded on this channel this month.
Ouais.
Puis Tom a aimé ça.
Tom, il a aimé ça.
Wow.
Il nous a pas vus.
Ouais, non, il a jamais regardé.
Hey, on a failli avoir un accident.
It's almost like a classic Sergio Aguero goal. Both comes across, he's got it back to the goal. He's twisted some times and it's in the back of the net. Look at Gabriel scored. And very similar one we did in the World Cup final with Johnny. So, Johnny John, yeah. It's hopeless though, it's not, it has to be said. Well, right, the first thing, to tell you how he scored it, I'm quite excited. I played for Kilmarnock in the game, right? And Kilmarnock are a team from Leicester as Arnavo. I never heard of that.
Oh, and then I reposted the picture of him from like the hockey photo, and like I felt like a crown.
Okay. It's a f***ing red light anyway.
Dear God.
Somewhere.
That's what I felt today.
What?
Your reaction on the other side?
I've been speaking in a different way about the Fed the last couple of months than I had been before. That's because, for whatever reason, they have come around to views quite close to mine.
What are you doing, man?
Be careful.
They like to warm up, and so they move. First of all, they do the Waikuru, which is the dance that they do before they start. You know, if you've ever seen it live, you know they play the music and they go through this. It's like a combination of stretching and then loosening up, and they have a bunch of different things that they do, and part of that is a warm-up exercise.
mean, the lights are on, so yes. I'll probably end up putting a window down on my way home.
Made that guy brake. Swerved around him. That guy's stopping, like, what are you doing? Is he still backing up? Almost backed into him. And he stopped for me.
That scared me.
Does that mean?
Did you have to pull over anyway? I think it was the truck. Thank God. Yep, it was the truck.
Justin Trudeau, you told us that better was always possible, and yet everything is worse. Responded with some of his own, saying Poilievre only knows how to fuel anger, not how to find solutions.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.